Hi kids, welcome back to Color by Mood. Today we are going to learn how to write number 5 and number 6, and we will do the coloring in the pictures also. You see, here we have a pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ice creams, and we will write the number name also. So before starting, we are going to learn some colors. This is green color. This is purple color. This is yellow color. This is orange color. This is sky blue color. This is red color, and this is pink color. So we are going to start with yellow color. So start from here. Just make a one straight line. I'll make a one big tummy. See, stop here, pick the pencil up, go back on first line and make a one sleeping line. You see, this is number 5, very easy number. Let's start coloring in smileys. Now let's write the number name. Read with me. F I V E 5. Five. 5. Very nice. Now let's write in the box. Just make a one straight line. Make a big tummy. Touch the ending line. Pick the pencil up, and here is one sleeping line. You see, very easy number 5. One more time. Make a one straight line. Make a big tummy. And here is one sleeping line. You see number 5? Very nice. One more time. Make a big tummy, and here is one sleeping line. Very good. You see, you have done number 5. Now let's move on number 6. Number 6 we are doing with sky blue color. Start from here, make a little curve, goes down, down, and make a big tummy. You see, very easy number 6. 6 ice cream. So we have done coloring in ice cream. Now let's write the number name. Read with me. S I X 6. SIX6. Very good. Now let's write it here. Make a little curve, comes down, down, and make a big, big tummy. Very nice. You see, very easy number 6. Big tummies. Very good. This is number 6. Very good. You see, very easy numbers. So, today we have learned number 5 and number 6. 5 smileys, 6 ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ice cream. Now read with me. SIVE 5. Very nice. SIVE 5. Very good. SIX 6. SIX 6. Very nice. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow for the more. Bye bye.